When I think of my life before I met you, I realize I was someone without real purpose or direction. And now that I've found you, or more accurately, you found me, you've given me my purpose in life. And that purpose is to be the best husband and someday father to you and to our children. I'm not perfect, and I never can be, but I vow today to be everything that you deserve. I love you.
Eric, you are the most amazing man I have ever met. Your strength, intelligence, and chivalry are more than I could ask for. I love your smile, I love your laugh, the way you sing along to music in the car, your sleepy face, your snuggle voice, the look in your eyes when you're sad, and that face you make when you're thinking. I promise to never stop falling in love with you with each passing year, and to love you with all of me, even more each day from this day forward.
When Eric asked me to be his best man, I couldn't say no, because he's always been there for us. He's done so much for us over the years. He's there for Dad when he's working, or playing Civilization instead of working around. He's been there for Richie basically his entire life before he stepped into it. Well, not step in, but before I could add that third element of joy to this family. Happy little surprise, as my parents like to say. And of course, been there for me. Eric and I were always close.
I'll never forget how excited you were for our family to meet Eric. I'm so happy you found someone who treats you like the queen we all know you are. Eric, I'm so happy I get to call someone as great as you my uncle. And I think we can all thank you for putting up with the craziness that is our family. I love you both dearly, and I'm so glad that you found each other and you get to spend the rest of your lives together.